So today we're going to be doing a review on the MooMoo investing service, or is it MooMoo? So either way, we're going to be talking about some of the pros and the cons here today about this investing service. Now, before we continue on, I will also have a link in the show notes. If you decide with this review that you want to sign up, you will get some free stocks just for doing that. Now, when it comes to talking about pros and cons, one of the most important things is, the cost of actually being able to buy and sell. And the great thing is this service actually gives you free commission trading on stocks and ETFs, as well as giving you option trading on the platform. Now, of course, they're also secured by the SEC and FINRA, so your money is protected for you if anything were to ever happen with the service, so that way you can get your money back. Now, when it comes to actually fees on the service, pretty much most of the platform is entirely free for you to use. Whether it's just creating your account, having money in, withdrawing your money, there are no fees to do pretty much most basic things on the app. Now, one of the cons when it comes to using MooMoo is the fact that there is only one type of account, and that is a taxable account. So you can't do, as of this recording, any retirement, any custodial account, or any other type of investing. It is all strictly just a taxable account. Now, when it comes to signing up through the process, it is actually very simple and easy to go through from start to finish, as well as once you have everything open, there's actually no minimum deposit. So if you actually sign up with the link, you get that free stock. If you want to test out the app, you're welcome to do so with no actual deposit required. Now, if you're somebody who enjoys using margin, one of the cons with using this service is the fact that they actually have a really high interest when it comes to their margin trading. So if you're somebody in that position, that is going to be a con for you. Now, another great pro is the fact that you actually get level 2 market data entirely for free. Now, this is really great, especially when you compare things like Robinhood or Weeble's level 2 data that can cost as much as $5 a month, really adding to your total cost of investing. And also too, with Moomo's in-depth quotes and analysis, you can get so many data points. You can get like capital flow, you can actually even get stock screeners, and you could even get ratings from third-party analysis. And this can all give you a lot of information to really help you through the process of buying and selling your stocks on the platform. Now, a little bit of a con when it comes to using the service is the fact that there's actually only the ability to link up one external bank account on file. Now, of course, this is not the biggest con in the world, but it can be a little tedious if you have money in different banks that you want to be using to put into your investments. Now, there are tons of order types here. So if you're somebody who's looking for like market orders or limit orders or stop orders, these are going to be all available for you and more when it comes to using the MooMoo service. Now, another con when using the service is that there is no two-factor authentication when signing in, but they actually do have the ability to use your Face ID or your Thumb ID depending on your phone's capabilities. But again, just no two-factor authentication at this given time. So a great pro is the fact that you're going to have the pre-market and the aftermarket available for you. So if you're somebody who loves to trade just a little bit longer than most other people, you're going to have the option here, as well as the fact that you can actually be trading on the Hong Kong market. Now, of course, you're going to have to trade in US dollars for money in that service, but you're going to be able to do that if you end up wanting to. Now, they do also have a desktop and a mobile version available for you. And the great thing is the desktop version is actually pretty customizable for you if you want to kind of move some things around. Now, the mobile version is not as customizable, but still nonetheless, you have the option to use either the desktop version or the mobile version. So a kind of cool pro, this is just a little side one here, is the fact that you can actually buy into the company that you are investing with on the platform. And their ticker number is FUTU if you ever want to check them out. Now, one downside for some people is the fact that as of right now with this recording, there is no crypto available for you. So if you're somebody who wants to also be investing into crypto, this app will not currently have that available for you. So another con is as of right now, they actually don't have any phone service. So everything is through email when you have any questions. But if you're like most people, this won't be too big of a worry because you'll be able to kind of figure most things out on your own. Now, another great pro when it comes to using the service is the fact that you are going to get 2 free stocks when you go ahead and sign up with the service. I'll have a link again for them in the show notes down below for you to be able to utilize and get your free stocks. Otherwise, I want you to check out my video right over here to learn how to actually sign up with the service. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.